It's too great, but gonna do my best. I'm in my bed here, obviously, and I got a new zippo. I got this one right here. $5, can't beat it. Cherry red, I like it. Yeah, I showed you this. Okay. This is gonna be the disassembly and assembly of a zippo. Just gonna open the lid, pull that out, take a case, set it off to the side. That's what you're gonna be working with. Part of it does everything. Okay, first thing you're gonna want to do, if you are just completely stripping this, making sure everything is good, works, take out your spring. You should have a little spacer that looks like a flint on the top. Come on, focus. Focus. That little piece. And your flint. Then you get your insert. And then you take off that little felt pad. Put that to the side, and you have quite a bit of rayon balls, and I'll be using my Leatherman tool. Pull all these out. Don't want to pull that wick out. Probably will end up doing it in the process. But you got a couple behind that flint tube back there, which I won't take out because they're a pain. But in there you have your wick. It goes through that hole with the brass hole right there. Have a look at that. Alright. You got a couple rayon balls. And right there's where you put your flint. You screw in this little guy. And then, honestly, that's basically it. You can clean it up in there if you'd like. And then, right there, once again, give you another look. And then we're going to start putting in those rayon balls again. One at a time. It's really a pain to get all those down. Get your felt pad again. Put that over the flint tube, that hole. There's your flint tube. You grab your flint right here. Drop that down to the flint tube. And you grab your spring with your spacer. Put that down in there. Push it down. Tighten it down. Right there. And then should be all set. Put it back in the case. Then I got this up on a flea market, by the way. It was made in 08 of October, I think. I'm not sure. But I got this little felt pad that my mom used for like doing jewelry and stuff, and it's really nice. The felt can come out, and it's got like sides on it, so then the zippos won't fall out or anything. Here's my collection so far. We got that 1935 Varga Girl replica, 3 Slims, that guy, this guy, my 2 music ones, my Kiss and my Aerosmith. I like Aerosmith because I'm from Flint, so that one. And my great-great-grandfather's Imco which is in really great condition. I love this one. Really old, really old. I think that's it. So, yeah.